goodness.
Yeah, record-breaking day once again, Allison.
Yes, and this one is an extremely significant record that we've set here in Salt Lake City. You are witnessing history. 106 has been our high so far today. That not only beats our daily record, but this is now the hottest June day we have ever had in Salt Lake City. Prior to today, the hottest we'd ever reached was 105, and that was set back in 2013. So we have the first alert action day for Utah. We issued this yesterday for today because of this extreme heat. A hottest June day ever in Salt Lake City, and it's just that the heat-related illnesses are possible, and just worth noting that heat-related deaths are preventable, and we want to make sure everyone is staying safe here across the state. Now, in addition to the heat, we're also dealing with quite a bit of smoke here across the region. So what we're seeing is a combination of smoke from some fires here in Utah, but mostly fires to our south that's creating quite a bit of heavy smoke here across the state. So right now, the thickest smoke, southern, central, and eastern Utah, but we do have light to moderate smoke here across northern Utah. Air quality today and for Thursday will continue to be for the next 2 days. Same as today, the orange level, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups, continuing mandatory action. It is still extremely hot here in Salt Lake City. It is 105 right now, 101 for Lehi, 98 for Provo, 106 for Ogden, 102 in Tooele. I'm expecting us to have a dozen, if not more, of the records just falling today. Temperatures in Park City currently in the 90s, St. George close to 110. It's just hot across the board, and we do have still very breezy conditions across central Utah. So tomorrow morning when you wake up, it won't be quite as warm as it was this morning, but it will be hot by about lunchtime tomorrow. Those temperatures into the 80s by 10 a.m., but 60s and 70s when you first wake up. Here across the state tomorrow, we'll have those temperatures in the 60s and 70s for most of you, 50s for the mountains, and then come tomorrow afternoon, it'll be about 90 to 100 here across the state. So here's what you need to know for the extended forecast. This upcoming weekend, we'll see our ridge of high pressure somewhat flattening out. However, we take more high pressure into next week, and I wanted to show you what you can expect beyond the 7-day forecast. By next Friday, there's a chance that we get a trough to kind of dig in here across the west. Wind will pick up ahead of that. We could hopefully end up getting some precipitation, but nothing's looking promising in the next 7 days. But I do want to keep my eye on the pattern for the end of next week to hopefully switch some things up. But the 7-day rain projection here across the country keeps the bulk of the precipitation off to our east, where we're just seeing minimal amounts here across the Intermountain West. Now for St. George, you have extremely hot temperatures for tomorrow, close to 115, then 110 from Thursday through Sunday. So if you have any Juneteenth celebrations on Saturday, it's going to be very hot in the afternoon for St. George, but a comfortable morning. For Salt Lake City, we're close to 95 to 100 for the rest of the 7-day forecast. So tomorrow will be about 10 degrees cooler. You'll notice that difference, but it's still going to be hot and above average. And we'll keep these very warm above average temperatures through the entire 7-day forecast.